Hello. So pick up one dice, one cube, throw it, throw. So what do we have? A mermaid. Mermaid. Let's pick up another one. Throw it. What can you see? A golden fish. Golden fish. A mermaid meets a golden fish. A mermaid meets a golden fish. Okay. What emotion is it? Angry. Say, I'm angry. Yes. Throw it again. Throw the dice again. What emotion is here? How do you feel? Happy. Say, I'm happy. Yes. Throw again. Sad. I'm sad. Say, I'm sad. Say, I'm sad. Sad, yes. Now let's select 3 cubes. 1, 2, and 3. And let's make a sentence. Make up a sentence with these 3 cubes. Okay? Now, first of all, let's throw this one. Throw it. What do we have here? Who's this?
Papa.
Dad.
Yes, Papa.
Dad.
Papa.
Yes. Now, throw it. Car. 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 And the last one. Last one. Throw it. What is it? Oh, countryside. So, my dad is going by car. Is going by car to the countryside. Countryside. Yes. Super. First, throw the dice. Throw it. It's on. Where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? It's on the box. On the box. No, on the box. On the box. Yes. Good. Now throw the dice. The rabbit is in the box. In, not under, but in the box. Yes. Where is the rabbit?
In the box.
Yes. Good. Great. Give me 5.